What's poppin', you guys? It's Diamond with Diamond Takes Life, and in this video I'm going to discuss these beautiful butterfly distressed locks that I've gotten from Amazon for such an affordable price. And also I'm going to talk about my natural hair and how I'm going to do 1 year protective styles. Hey you guys, first off, happy new year. We're finally out of 2020. Thank you, God. We've just made it to 2021. Hopefully this year is filled with more a new plot twist, going in a better direction. But anyway, moving forward. Okay, so I'm just gonna jump right into it and get right into the information about this hair. I did get this hair, as I said before, as you see from the thumbnail. I did get this hair from Amazon. Okay, it was actually, this hair was suggested to me by the actual seller. These are butterfly distressed locks. They are kind of like on the medium jumbo size, as you can see. They are 12 inches. I got this hair from the buyer on Amazon, Nayo. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. The distributor that's on Amazon name is the Nayo store. Pretty sure I'm saying that wrong, but it's Nayo, N-A-Y-O-O. Product seller on Amazon. This hair was 12 inches. That they only had one color, 1B, and the total for the hair was $56.99 plus tax. When I bought the hair, there was a 5% discount, so I did get the hair for like $53 and some change. But I didn't see that up there when I went back and looked. The hair included 6 packs. It came in the Amazon Prime thing just like this, and then when it came in this little thing, hair tag. All right, and the thing it had in the pack, it had the crochet needle, which I already have plenty of these, didn't need it, but, and then it had the butterfly lock crochet hair, 100% handmade, do-it-yourself individual locks. The color was 1B, as I said before, and it had 6 of these packs. I used 5 in my head. I actually used the crochet braiding pattern that Chrissy does. I'll leave a little thumbnail right here somewhere. And then I also leave the picture. Oh yeah, Nayu, we are dedicated to providing quality hair. All right, so initially I've had this hair in just 1 day. But when you watch this video, it'll probably be like 2 weeks. But I've had this hair in 1 day so far. And I'll put the date of when today is. And I'll give another review on the hair. But it's actually Christmas Eve. So, yeah. Getting off task. But, okay, it came with 6 packs. I only used 5. It was very easy to put in. Like I said, I used the braiding pattern that Chrissy show, where it's like a convenient crochet braiding pattern that makes it look like you have like individuals in, and it was very quick, very easy to braid down my hair. Recommend that braiding pattern. I'll leave a link to her video right in the description box and a picture of her thumbnail, and then also I'll leave a thumbnail picture of, I can't talk today, the Amazon store if you search it on Amazon. So for Nayu, because they have different hairs as well. So when I went and looked on there again, they have an 18-inch that's coming in January, and then they have where you can buy this hair individually. You don't have to buy the 6 packs all together. You just want to get 5, you can get 5. But honestly, for the price they have them at, you might as well just go ahead and buy the 6. The hair was really easy to put in. I can like show you, let's show you one of the locks and how I did it. Now, when if you get this hair, it does seem a little difficult to like do the locks because they are handmade. They look so beautiful, you guys. They are a bit heavy on the ends, but they're really stretchy, So, I'm just gonna show it on the loop. The hair is actually like twisted up, and here's the loop. So some of the loops didn't look as neat and uniform. I just had to take my time and divide it, untwist it a little bit and divide it, and then twist it back when I put it through under my braids to install. It was very Sorry, you guys, keep looking right here. It was very easy to install. It took me about maybe, I braided my hair one day and then I installed it another day. Of course, y'all know if you've looked on my channel, I have twins. So I have 3-month twins, 3-month-old twins. So I had to do this in a 2-day process. But I braided my hair down one day and then the next day I installed it. It literally took me maybe an hour and 15 to install the hair. I'm making so much noise. It took me like an hour and 15 to install the hair. So super quick, super easy. So far so good. I'm loving them. They're not too heavy. Out of the pros, I don't have any major cons about the hair so far. But I am going to say that I don't like how heavy the ends are. I can tell that's just how they lock them together at the ends, which isn't bad. I'm not going to say it's like horrible, but they are a bit heavy at the ends. But I think that still, you know, adds like the detail to them. And you can like slide the hair up and down to like, you know, yeah. But all in all, so far, they're beautiful. So this will be my first protective style that I'm going into 2021 in. All right, so let's get into this year of protective style. So let me just give y'all a rundown on what's really tea, okay? So last year I tried to do this. I actually have a video up that I tried to do this last year and just really wasn't consistent with it. I'm gonna be talking about a 1 year of protective styles that I'm challenging myself to do to grow my natural hair and to also give myself the opportunity to get to know my natural hair. 2020 happened, I got pregnant and all of that, and I just really fell off of it. So this year I really want to be attentive to a year of protective styles and really nurturing my natural hair. As of 2018, in 2018 in August, I did cut off my hair off. I do have that video on my channel. If you've been following me, you know I cut all my hair off. I dyed it, is it auburn? The color is the orange fall color. I dyed it that color. I'll leave a little clip. And I went through a little shindig with that for about 6 months. The next 6 months, I grew my hair back, all the way back while I was pregnant. And now my hair is like past the length that it was when I cut it off in 2018. No, in 2019. Whew, brain fart. In 2019. Now my hair is fully back. It's growing really good, beautiful, healthy, and I'm sick and tired of natural hair. Like, that's the reason I cut it in the beginning, and I was going to get a perm. And then everybody, like my friends and my family, they keep on suggesting to me to just try it, to really put the work in, because honestly I've been natural since 2016. My first big chop was 2015 New Year's Eve, and I've never really put the work in with my natural hair. I've never put the care into it. I've never, you know, put the love into it that your hair really needs for it to flourish. I know a lot of people that can relate to that you're natural, but you're natural just because somebody told you not to get a perm, but you really don't know what to do with your hair. That's me. So yeah, so this year I'm really being attentive with doing my hair, doing protective styles. I have natural products. I'm going to be reviewing some natural products that I've actually been using for the last 2 to 3 months. And I'll get to that, but I'll get to that when I get to it. But yeah, so I'm going to take this year. Sorry, that's my baby right here, one of my twins. I'm going to take this year to do these protective styles and grow out my natural hair. Because look, if I don't get to the length I'm trying to get to, I'm just gonna give up. I'm going back to the creamy crack. Don't put no hate in my comments. I don't care. I'm going back. But yeah, so I really want to put in the love and time in my hair just to see how full and long it can get. I've always had thick hair, but I always experience breakage. I know one of my reasons that I experience breakage is because I don't wear a cap to sleep when you sleep on your hair. I know that's one of the reasons. And not moisturizing, not deep conditioning. Like, I just haven't been giving it the love. Like, most of us just braid it down for a wig and then move forward. But yeah, so definitely going to be doing that this year. Thanks so much for tuning into this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you like my hair, please leave an orange heart in the comments. If you like my hair, leave orange hearts in the comments. If you got this far, you might as well subscribe if you've not subscribed, okay? Because we back on it. It's 2021, and we gonna stick to it, okay? Okay. We made it through 2020. If you made it through 2020, say amen, hallelujah. Because a lot of people didn't make it, and we made it, okay? But yeah, so we're going to do this. A year of protective styles. Mark my words. Boom. I will be doing a review of this hair once I get to 3 to 4 weeks of having it in. So it'll probably be a week after this video comes out on New Year's Day. So yeah, we'll see then. See how good this hair has been holding up. Don't forget to check out the link in my bio if you like to get this hair, and just let me know if you like it, if you do get it.